Hi, it's your Ben David. So yan, ito may pakaramdam natin. This is my body. Usually, every first month of my contract, laging may sakit ang taong to. So nag-adjust yung katawan ko sa environment and breakout everywhere. Maybe because of the war, I don't know, ba pansin ko. Last contract, ganito rin yung nangyari sa akin. Nag-breakout ako. Same sa ngayon. And yun, nag-a-adjust ulit yung katawan ko. And also, advice, every time na pupunta ka sa ibang bansa, bago ka sa baba, always bring your medicine. May libreng gamot naman, pero medyo mataas yung dosage sa akin. Nagkaka-allergy reaction din ako. So much better to bring your medicine umalis or bago ka sumampa. And of course, always bring your vitamins. C, D, or whatever is that. Always bring your medicine, your vitamins, okay? Your body is your puhunan. So, kailangan malaga yung sarili mo. May mga prutas rin dito. So, always eat fruits. Diba? So, yan. Little advice. See you around.